Hey friends, Wayne over here at the Ram Man Inc. There's some helpful information. Probably save you some time, money, and some grief. So we're getting ready to ship out another D300. D300's got that Elliott spindle, a great big one. The secret of this is when we cut these rotors for the factory spindle, which takes these great big old bearings. Pretty straightforward. It's one of the easiest ones that to mount up. There's your spindle, caliper bracket bolts on, couple of bolts, couple spacers. Uses that great big mid-80s, 80s GM caliper with those great big 3-inch pistons. Put out a lot of force. Multiplies that incoming pressure force by 7 times. Right? Right. Super easy. This is also used on the Winnebagos too. So, super easy, super reasonable, a lot of factory parts. GM calipers, GM pads. We start off with a factory D200, D300 rotor. 8 rotor. Early, mid-70s. These originally came with 1/2 inch by 20. That's what was used. That's what came in this rotor. We have some Dorman 610 300s that happen to have the same size knurl that are 9/16 by 18, which is a lot of the modern trucks, 80s, 90s, Dodges, Fords, GM, and if need be, this base kit is $12.95, tax, title, license, shipped to the door. Takes about 3 weeks. Order in the parts. Set the rotors up to turn them. We usually like to turn them a couple of orders together. And our laser cut plates, caliper plates. Like I said, it takes about 3 weeks. And if need be, if you need a dually application, we can outfit this with 9/16 by 18 studs. And either you can acquire them or we can acquire them for you. These factory style Dodge Ram wheel adapters off original dualies. You can find them on Facebook or eBay sometimes. $100 a piece. $200 a piece, $200 for the pair, $300 for the pair, whatever. And now you have a dually application with the correct spacing. So, and of course, it's that factory. The most prolific bolt pattern of all time on 8-bolt trucks, 3/4 ton and 1 ton. has to be the 8 on 6.5 by the several hundred million in total. Several hundred million. Because, you know, Ford alone's at 20 million just on the new Super Duties last year. I mean, this is brand new, January 2026, so. And you can pick up those wheels off of Facebook or whatever for, you know, they're probably the cheapest wheels of all time. You get whole sets for $100 and $200. So, there you go. That's the way to really frickin' do it to it. And if you really want to get serious, you add that second generation power unit to the whole mess, and then you've really got something. You can tell by looking at these rotors. This is not some kind of a pussy, wimpy setup. These sumbitches are about 28 pounds a piece. So, they some whoppers and some great big old heat sinks. Do their job. So, if you need something for your D300, which uses a very similar rotor, just a little bit smaller bearings. You need something for your D200 or your D300 so that it's not driveway art anymore. Driveway art is something that you can't drive because it's completely unsafe because you can't stop it. That's driveway art. God bless you. God bless America. And happy Mopar.